Load Sold-To IDs is now available in the Post Configurator, allowing you to import Sold-To ID lists from a text file when encrypting postprocessors. This new feature saves you from having to type in Sold-To IDs each time the postprocessor is updated. In addition, the new Inspect On option in the Postprocess dialog allows you to activate Inspect Tool from outside the Post Configurator. We'll begin by opening a postprocessor and clicking Encrypt All Post Configurator files. You can use the new Load Sold-To IDs button to import a Sold-To ID list text file. Each line of this file will be added as a Sold-To ID. The new Inspect On option will activate Inspect Tool from the Post Configurator when post-processing. This option will only be displayed if the selected post is from the Post Configurator. You can also search for MOM variable values, the same as you could when using Inspect Tool in the Post Configurator. You can display multiple Inspect Tool windows to compare different post-run results.